Hi, Mahalakshmi.
Hi, ma'am.
It's an honor to be with you. Thank you so much for accepting my request. And whenever I think of Tamil Nadu, I was thinking just before this conversation that Mahalakshmi will bring that warmth and grace, just like the enriched culture of Tamil Nadu. So you are bringing those vibes to me.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
And
much
I
for your
thought of doing
kind
this.
words.
Vanakkam.
Yes, yes, Vanakkam is
Yes.
it's
And
culture.
I am very fond of different languages, learning different languages. So, how are you doing today?
Okay. I'm doing great, ma'am. Today's Friday, right, ma'am? So had been hectic. I was actually with my daughters, with my nibblings. I was taking care of them before this. So hereafter, I don't have any time. I'll just play with them.
Great.
I'm doing so great, ma'am. Thank you for asking. And how are you, ma'am?
Uh, I think today I have a sore throat. So,
Oh.
life is not treating me as its favorite child nowadays. That is what I can say. So, but I
Mm-hmm.
thought of connecting with you because I've already committed. So, that's why.
Or you would have messaged me, ma'am. You should have told me that
No, it's
you're
okay.
not feeling well.
So,
Okay.
yes. Shall we start with a brief introduction?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
You can
Shall
start.
I go, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. My matrimonial house is in Coimbatore. My native place is in Salem, near Salem. It's a village. I did my master's in engineering in computer science department. I am mom to two kids. And I was a banker. And before that, I was a lecturer for a couple of years. Now, recently, I have embarked on my YouTube channel to enhance my speaking skills, ma'am.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah.
You have a vast experience, like from teaching to
Yes.
banking. I don't have that vast experience, but yes, I'll try to introduce myself briefly. My name is Jyoti Mishra. I have done my master's and PhD from Delhi University, and I'm a mother. I have a daughter, and I live in Noida currently. My native place is Uttarakhand.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm born and brought up in Delhi.
Okay, okay.
And
Then
this,
who is in Uttarakhand, ma'am?
I'm sorry,
Who is in Uttarakhand?
that's my native place. Like my parents, and then
Mm. Okay, okay.
and like ancestor wise, I belong
Yes.
to that place. Yes, so I try to go there like once in a year.
Oh, one second. Yeah. Mm.
Yes, it's a beautiful place like Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
I never get a chance to visit there, but the I'm very fond of these coastal areas because it's a wonderful blend of different ecosystems. You see the sky as well, mountains, cliffs, then water, then mangrove forest. It's really good.
Yes, we can have everything here. And as you said, yes, after saying only, I could remember everything. Actually, our place is like that. How you are expressing, how you are explaining our place is just like that.
Yes, because I've
Yes.
only seen it in pictures. I have been to Goa once, but yes, I just before the conversation, I was just trying to, understand how Tamil Nadu looks like. And then I was
Okay.
reading about it, and it has got beautiful bioreserves and bird sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuary. It's full of everything, I must say. And especially
Yes, I think.
after, yeah, when the name has been changed from Madras to Tamil Nadu, I think it has a rich influence on the culture and then archaeology, cuisines. So you have diversification of everything, I would say.
Yes.
Richness,
So
yes.
true, ma'am. So true. You are actually, you have learned so many things about our state, and I'm so proud of it and so happy. And I welcome you to our state, ma'am. Please come here and visit here and stay with us for some time.
Sure. I will let you know whenever I'll make a plan.
Yes,
I will let you know.
yes, yes.
And
Have think that you have a friend here, and please visit us always.
oh, thank you so much. I am so, I mean,
Yes.
Thank you so much from the core of my heart.
Okay.
Thank you for inviting me, and you are equally welcome to my place. Although you would not like
Yes.
Noida that much, but yes, it's very hot here.
Yes.
And yeah, Mahalashmi, I wanted to ask you, is it the name of the goddess? Because we generally pronounce it as with a K, Lakshmi.
Yes,
So,
it's without K. My name is without K. Mahalashmi.
so it's the same, the name of the god.
Same.
Okay. Because I remember my PhD supervisor, she's from South
Oh,
India. So she would spell my name as Jyothy, Jyoti. She would
PHY.
call me
True.
Jyoti. So,
Mm-hmm.
these are, we should celebrate these differences.
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Yes, you have a lovely name.
Thank you, ma'am. And you are likewise, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And we came to Delhi, ma'am, last year. We even went to Uttarakhand,
Okay.
Jim Corbett.
Hmm.
Jim Corbett, and we were there for 2 to 3 days, ma'am, in Uttarakhand.
Did you like Jim Corbett? It's a bit, it's not
Yes,
that
yes.
cold, I think. Oh,
About, ma'am?
was it cold that time? How was the
No,
weather?
no, no. It was moderate, ma'am. It wasn't cold. It wasn't even humid. It was normal, and we enjoyed a lot. We had spent nearly 3 days there, and we came to Delhi, and from there we went to Uttarakhand.
Okay, nice. I have been to Jim Corbett and they generally offer you a safari in the morning. You can go into
Yes,
the
yes,
forest. So that experience was very pleasant for me. It was really good.
yes. But I'm not
And
fond of that animals, forest, and all. My husband, my elder one, they are actually fond of those things.
okay,
My interest is towards arts, crafts, and all, and English, computer.
okay,
But
okay.
they are very fond of nature, animals, birds, plants.
Hmm. Lovely. Nature,
Okay.
it's always a, good idea to connect with the nature. I
Yes.
myself feel so fresh when I go outside, especially in the parks, looking at the birds and animals.
Yes.
So I like that.
Okay.
So,
I consider them as okay. They are also some living being like us. We should not harm them. We should not do any. We should not intimidate them. That is my thing. So I can just observe their feelings from outside. So I don't want to disturb them at any cost. Even my admiration should not disturb them. They should
hmm,
live their life without any disturbance. That is my thing.
yeah, I agree with you because if somebody would disturb us, we would also not feel great about it. So I think
Yes,
they
ma'am.
have they should be in their natural habitat. And yes, you are
Yes.
right.
Yes, ma'am. And the next time also, if I go there, they should not think that okay, something would happen here. I
Hmm.
whether I can go there or not. I believe that I should not disturb anyone. That's all.
Uh, that's
Okay.
very
But
thoughtful.
sometimes when
Yes.
I see elephants during our travel without knowledge, I even shouted, but felt very bad about that. I should have not done like that, but out of curiosity, yes, my voice was raised.
Yeah, it happens. So that's a very natural tendency of human beings to, respond reactions to the stimulus, different
Yes, ma'am.
stimulus like that.
Okay. So,
I,
what is yes,
yeah,
ma'am? What is the meaning behind your channel, ma'am? Voice dynamics.
voice dynamics. Okay. Nobody has asked me this question, but this is a very
Okay.
great question. I would say voice dynamics. Uh, Personally, I connect. How would I connect with you? Suppose you have give me a call. I would
Mm.
I would recognize you through your voice. And then
Okay.
we have certain memories wherein we know that this person is always in an angry mood. He speaks like that. So we have voice dynamics means the voice modulation. So it has got different things in a sense that I would take pauses in between. I would raise my voice sometimes. Sometimes I will lower it, or the pitch of my voice. Sometimes I'm trying to speak softly. Sometimes I'm trying to raise my voice. So that's why I thought of using this name as Voice Dynamics English.
Voice dynamics. Is actually you are also doing the same, ma'am. You are raising your voice, giving intonation, modulation, everything in your speech.
Yes, and intonation is very important. And when you emotionally express yourself, then yeah, people can actually connect with you. It should not sound like robotic. My name is this, I am doing this. So personally, I don't like that. It should not be robotic, be it any language. Talking about Tamil, I think you would give lot of expressions in your language. So similarly in
Yes.
Hindi, so it should be in English as well. Yes. You tell me how your journey was started and how it had been.
My YouTube journey, ma'am.
Yes, YouTube journey.
Okay, after quitting my job, I was melancholic for some time, for some days. I was shouting at my daughters without any reason. Some point, actually, she could not control myself. I was not able to control myself after some point. So my daughter advised me, why can't you just look after your career? Why can't you just start your career again? And she advised me, she truly suggested me to do something.
Okay.
And she was also giving idea, ma'am. We can start YouTube channel, ma. And she was saying this. And in order to keep this title even, I was thinking, I was pondering for about 1 week.
Okay.
After 3 videos, yes, I was okay with 3 videos, but I was literally trembling, ma'am, trembling when I was speaking, when I was doing my first, second, third conversation. And I was not consistent, ma'am, after doing 3 videos. And again, it was her who motivated me to concentrate on it. And she felt very unhappy. She was not happy when I stopped uploading videos. So I had to make her feel right, ma'am, happy. So I was thinking I must do something in order to make her happy. So I have started dwelling on it. I have started indulging myself on it. So from that moment, I have started, ma'am, okay, I have considered that I have to make her happy. For that, I'm ready to do anything. So afterwards, I have started and I have started doing well, ma'am. By God's grace and by the support of the viewers, subscribers, it's been going very good, ma'am. Very great. And meanwhile, I'm also putting my efforts, a lot of efforts. When everyone is watching TV, I would stay at room and I was preparing
I can
when
imagine.
everyone
Yes.
watches is when everyone watches television or something where when they are playing, I have to sit alone. I have to prepare for my session or prepare for anything for my learning purpose.
Yeah,
But it should be, I have to put some effort in order to get something, right, ma'am? So I
absolutely.
have decided and have been going smoothly in this path.
I think after listening to you, I can say that your journey was like a roller coaster ride, ups and
Yes,
downs.
yes, yes,
And
yes.
your daughter is truly a driving force behind it, behind your success. And definitely
Yes.
you are a hard worker too. So I appreciate that very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very
Thank you so
nice.
much. Yes.
I
And she's
also,
also asking me to do further to enhance even further. She's asking me to upload shorts and post something on Instagram. I am thinking for that. And my elder one, my younger one, is also asking, Amma, please, ma, take me also to your YouTube. Shall we have a conversation?
wow. That will be interesting to see. Like your
Yes,
daughter is
ma'am.
also in
Yes.
the video. Lovely,
Have a
amazing.
plan, ma'am. Let's see.
And you are doing it like flawlessly. So I'm sure you
Thank you, ma'am.
can excel there as well, like into the YouTube
Yes.
shorts and Instagram. All the best for that.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much,
And I
ma'am.
need your blessings and best wishes as well because I've recently started my channel. So,
You're getting them. I believe that our persistence, it will give results, ma'am. I believe in that strongly.
hmm.
Is how close we are going to the language, how success will get. I believe in that. Without hard work, will not get any place in our success, ma'am. In that ladder, success ladder. So we
Right.
have to move forward, we have to move closer, and how hard we are doing. that effort we are going to get, ma'am, soon. I believe in that strongly.
You are a lovely person, I must say. Like, I'm getting those positive, you have a really positive aura.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
So yes, now so we have decided to discuss one important topic.
Yes.
I'll just sip some water. Sorry.
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah. So the topic is discourse markers.
Yes, ma'am.
And would you like to tell a brief about it, and then I can join you, and then we will
Yes.
take the audience through a dialogue summary in which you and I are going to do the role play. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
okay, over to you.
I do have a doubt, ma'am. Is there any difference between discourse marker or linking words? Are they same?
I think because linking sometimes they are used interchangeably. That is what I have noticed. Because however is used as a linking marker and as well as a discourse marker. So I can't say really, but they are used interchangeably. But if I
Okay.
would say, for example, I'm trying to start a conversation, you have ended the sentence, and I'm trying to think for the answer, I would say, well, Mahalashmi. So I'm using this well, and well is not a linking, or can it be used as a linking
You
marker?
know, well, all right. Or these
So,
linking
right.
words? Yes. So I have a doubt. I have a question. Are they same or do they have difference in their meaning?
That is what I said, that both are
Yes.
used interchangeably. Like if I
Interchangeable.
say, if I am starting a conversation, I can start it with however, or I can use so, right. So both are kind of similar. We can say 80%.
Okay.
But for example, if
It,
I'm saying in conclusion, nonetheless, so these are more towards the linking
nevertheless.
marker definition.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
I
would you
really
like to
love
tell
to
the
use.
audience about the
Yes, ma'am.
discourse markers? What are they? And
Yes. Yes, I really love to use them in my conversation. I have been trying and I have been putting efforts to use that in my normal conversation. Like moreover, however, instead of but, we can replace it with however. It's some contradiction, right, ma'am?
right, absolutely. Yes.
And also, if we want to add some value to our point, we can add furthermore, moreover, in addition to that.
Yeah. In order to
Instead of
emphasize
saying,
on your points. Absolutely.
yes, ma'am. In order to say and also we can replace that with moreover, in addition to, furthermore, and it shows that the emphasis we are emphasizing that particular thing.
Yes. So have you ever listened to the native speakers? They are very
Yes,
fond
ma'am.
of using these discourse markers and linking markers as well. So what is the significance of using these markers in English language? First of all, it makes your English, like the speaking English, engaging, interesting, and like full of emotional expressions because you are going up and then down and using these linking markers. Also, it gives you a smooth flow to your,
Mm.
like, I will be speaking fluently by using these markers, like as a connectors.
Some attraction also.
Yes. So let's start with the dialogue summary.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Mm.
And let the audience connect with how are we using these discourse markers.
Mm.
Okay, so I will start first. Right. Let's get started with our meeting. So here I'm using right as the link discourse marker, and I am starting the conversation. Yes.
Okay, I'm ready. So what's on the agenda today?
Wow. So this shows a transition that you have asked a topic. What is the agenda?
Yes.
Okay. Well, first, I would like to discuss our upcoming project deadline. So I'm trying to change your focus from agenda to the deadlines first.
Deadline.
Yes.
Actually, I was gonna ask you about that. Is there any update from the client? Is there any update from the client?
Perfect. Yes. Um, yes, they sent an email this morning. By the way, did you did you see the new design proposal?
Oh, yes, I did. I think it looks great. Anyway, where is it, man? Anyway, about the deadline. Okay. Oh, yes, I did. I think it looks great. Anyway, about the deadline, do you think we need more time? I'm
Hmm.
again returning to the main thing right now.
Yes. I think we might. The team has been working hard, but there are still a few things left to finish. Okay, so over to you.
Okay. In other words, we should probably ask for an extension.
Exactly. So should I draft an email to the client?
That sounds good. Well, I think that covers everything for now.
Great. Thanks for your input. Anyway, let's catch up again next week. So I have smoothly ended the conversation and just try to see how my voice go up and down, and you have done it perfectly, Mahalashmi. So lovely.
Yes, ma'am. You also did very much, very good, ma'am. And yes, thank you for this effort also, ma'am.
Thank
When
you.
we
I
are
thought
using that linking, yes, when we are using that linking words, our conversation is nice, right, ma'am? Without even thinking further, we'll have that confidence. Okay, it's been going very great. We don't need to panic.
absolutely. And since this is not our native language, we need our brain the time for processing things. If you are asking me a question, I can't be, immediately telling you the answer. I have to process the information in my mind. So these linking, these discourse markers, they really help in that
Yes,
thinking process and
yes.
processing things and linking one statement to the other, starting the conversation, ending it. So, yeah.
Yeah, instead of just dragging our sentence like we can use this clever words, right, ma'am, in order to start our conversations.
Perfect. Yes. So at
Okay.
the end, I think we have come to the end, and I'm going to wrap it up by asking you one question. Any life, I ask it to everyone. So, any life advice if you want to give people through from your experience, not related to the learning thing, but life advice.
Life advice, watch your
Hmm.
words, ma'am.
Hmm.
Everyone says that watch your steps, but I would say that watch your words, stick to your words. If it is necessary, then utter a word. Otherwise, please be quiet because it means a lot.
Hmm.
Positive words, if you do 10 good things, they will not remember all the 10 good things. But if you had one word, one negative word, they will remember it for forever, for their lifelong. So the 10 good things will erase, that one word will erase all the good 10 good things. So instead of uttering a negative word, it's better to be quiet. So I always advise everyone to watch their words, stick to their words, and always have a positive approach, positive words.
That's a
This is
beautiful
my thing.
advice. And I'll just try to add one more point to this that in science, in nutrition, we say you are what you eat.
Uh,
So basically, whatever you are eating, it will be reflected onto your body, face, everywhere. I say you are what you speak. So just like you said something, you are what you speak because the choice of words tells you about you,
Thank you.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
thank you very much for your valuable time. It was a
Yes.
really
What's yours,
enlightening.
ma'am? Yes.
Yes.
What's your life lesson?
Mm. Okay. I say, uh, I don't know what will happen tomorrow. So I
Okay.
embrace my present. If I'm
Mm.
talking to you, I am talking to you. I live in my present. I will not be on my phone if I am going out. I will cherish the nature. If I'm talking to my daughter, spending time with her, I will be with her completely.
Okay.
And I feel that my motive of life is I want to be a good human being
Very
myself.
good.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Mahalakshmi. It was lovely
Thank you so
talking to
much.
you. Please take care and we'll connect soon.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Take care, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
And please visit here, ma'am.
Sure.
Come to Tamil Nadu.
I would love to. Pakka, pakka.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.